Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a copy of the original image. Never edit the master file. Open that copy in your chosen editor, Photoshop, GIMP, or a capable mobile app. Once open, zoom to about 200% and inspect where the app name sits. Is it solid text, translucent watermark, or blended with texture? This matters because the repair tool you pick depends on contrast and surrounding detail. Now pick a selection tool and roughly outline the app name area to limit changes to that region. Next, choose the right repair method: content-aware fill for uniform backgrounds, healing brush for textured surfaces, or clone stamp when exact replication is needed. Start small, make one patch, then evaluate because gradual edits preserve realism. Frequently resample nearby pixels to match lighting and grain. Once done with a repair pass, toggle visibility and compare to the original. If edges look soft, use a tiny, low-opacity brush to blend. Save incremental versions so you can revert if a patch fails. For finishing, refine the area with subtle blending. Match grain by adding slight noise, use minute blur of 0.5 to 1 px, and dodge or burn to match local exposure. Once satisfied, export a copy. Decide whether to keep or strip EXIF metadata for privacy. If you spot artifacts, repeated patterns, or mismatched edges, undo to the last good save, then work in smaller patches and feather selections more heavily. One key tip: zoom out frequently to confirm edits look natural at normal viewing size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.